Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, we have the new DYSON. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at this beauty. The DYSON AIRWRAP actually launched in Malaysia yesterday. Yeah, and for me, I went and get it because I really want to try this out. I'm very much in love in new gadgets and new technology when it comes to beauty and also when it comes to like games and stuff like that. It's really expensive though, I don't deny it, for Malaysian ringgit. This one, I didn't even get the full set one. This is the volume and shape one. This half set one is about 1,999 ringgit. That's a lot of money for Malaysian ringgit. I think the full set one is about 2,200 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. You have to go to the website and check, and currently they do not have any promotion at all. No early bird, no discount, nothing. Quite sad lah. And they're not even available in Sephora Malaysia, because I was thinking that if it's available in Sephora, I could actually gain some points out of it. They are not even available in like 1U, otherwise I could like collect some points, but it's only available in certain outlets, and the one that I got it from was the Gardens Mall in Mid Valley. I wake up, immediately get ready, go out and reach Mid Valley Gardens at about 10. I thought I was super early. I thought, okay, I'm gonna be the only one there and stuff, like maybe at most there'll be one person there. But by the time I go into the shop, right, like I was standing outside there and saw from outside, geez, there's already people there. There's at least like serious shoppers, the ones that seriously want to buy the DYSON AIRWRAP one. There's at least about four or five people already there. There was already two guys standing there already getting their DYSON AIRWRAP already. Oh, this is actually quite heavy, my gosh. How do people take this out? There you go, look at this beauty. And while I was waiting for my turn to get my DYSON AIRWRAP and to pay and stuff like that, there were more people coming in, and it was like this bunch of tourist people came in. That itself already, I think they sold probably 3 DYSON full set one. These people, right, it's like people like me. We go in, we know already that we want it. We don't need to like test, try and stuff like that. It's crazy lah. And then after I left, apparently there's like more people also. It's surprising lah. So this is how it looks like. Because it is the half set, it is slightly smaller, slightly thinner as compared to the full set one. It is still very heavy though, I don't deny. I've watched like the most like tutorials, first impression, review, pretty much almost all the DYSON AIRWRAP reviews out there. I have probably watched it already. Chinese, Korean, English, whatever language it is, I'll just watch it for, just for research purposes like before I get mine. Of course, I absolutely love the packaging of this. It's so luxurious feeling. It's like very high end lah. I cannot, it's not something that you travel with, that's for sure. It's gonna be something that I have to use every single day. Today, I'm just gonna do like a first impression of the AIRWRAP volume and shape, and then use this for a month, and then after that, I'll give like a follow-up review, like a more thorough review. We're gonna open this up together. This magnetic thing, I like it a lot, and wow! Inside is like super velvety kind of texture. Specifically, the unique selling point of this one obviously is the curler thingy. But for me, I'm not just looking into the curler itself. I'm looking at the other attachment as well. I don't know, I don't really have much faith in the curler. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't have much faith, but I still buy it. I don't understand myself too. But I really don't have much faith in the curler, because a lot of reviews that I've watched, apparently on natural hair, it's very hard to get the curls to last. Yeah, and it's apparently not as easy as you think. Because I love DYSON so much, I have the DYSON vacuum cleaner. It's so useful, so easy to use. It's just something that is very convenient in my life. So that's why I believe in DYSON brand. So that's why I decided to like spend my money on this. I literally allocated money just for this. A heat mat, so that if you put on your bed or wherever you put on, you can actually put the tools, the hot tools here, so that to protect your bed or your table or whatever it is, so that it doesn't burn and stuff like that. I think this is such a nice touch. Unboxing time lah, basically. Hello. The main wand here, I don't know what to call this. This one is actually quite light. Every single tool has its own space lah, basically. Okay, so this one I'm gonna keep because I think it's something for you to meant for you to keep one. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, yeah. This is basically the brush. Even if you YouTube it, it kind of does show you how to use this thing to clean your main tool here. This is a booklet. It's just a booklet. It's kind of show you the information and stuff like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 different attachments for this. So we have the pre-styling dryer, the 30mm AIRWRAP barrels, the soft smoothing brush, round volumizing brush. Yeah, this one is a little bit like, whoa. I don't know, very tough, very like stiff, like very hard like that. Let's just try this out first because I don't want my hair to get too dry. It was really wet just now, but after that I do my makeup and stuff like that, so it's like slightly drying out already. It's just damp right now. I think it'll be perfect timing for me to try the Wakanda. What the world? Wakanda, oh my gosh, this is not Black Panther, okay. Yeah, the moment that they say Koanda, right, it sounded like Wakanda for me. So anyway, this is how the wire looks like. This, thankfully, there's a 3-pin plug here, connector here. I don't know what is this. There's a couple of settings here. There's the wind setting, there's the heat settings, and also basically the main switch for you to turn on and off, and cold air and stuff like that. So I just plug it in, and there's a thing here if I want to take it off. Let me put it up to the highest setting for everything. So I'll follow the arrow. When this one is like showing the arrow there, so which means that, oh no, this one is curling this way. Okay, wrong barrel. That's the problem. Like, you need to get used to it. Okay, I think this is the way. Yeah. Oh, okay, it's not that loud in person, but I think in camera, I always watch the videos and they sounded very, very loud. But in person, it really is not that loud at all. I'm very excited. I'm gonna try this out without combing my hair. Yeah, see, there are some parts that it doesn't take it in. I think it's dry. I need to shoot like a cold air. Not really cold. Wait. And then let's turn it off. Okay, so mostly it curls the down part, and I don't think you can see. There you go. Can you see this? This is how it looks like for the first time curling it. A little bit of an anti-curl, so not the beachy wave kind of curls, like quite a tight kind of curls, which I personally don't mind actually. I think I tried to curl it up to my roots area, but it seems like it only curls like half of my hair, like bottom half of my hair. The curls definitely looks nice. It's very bouncy, it's very light, it's very airy. Really want to see if I can just leave it down here and let it suck it up. Whoa, it works. Okay, but some of them is like going down like below the barrel, which is not something that I want. Go curl up. Go up. Wow, hot. Actually, when you get towards closer to your face, it's actually quite hot. So stay away from your face. No, stay up. Okay, I'm gonna give a cold shot. Then I'm gonna turn it off and down. Ooh, can you like take bigger chunks of the hair? Nah, it doesn't want to suck up all the hair. So there is a limit to how much hair you can use with this. Whoa, it's so messy. I cannot, it's too messy. Okay, let's section the hair properly. Now that we know you cannot take too much hair. It's just that I get a little bit annoyed that some hair just goes down below the barrel. But yeah. Gonna shoot a cold shot. Turn it off. So that's the curl. The curls definitely is very soft lah. It feels very soft, very light, very airy. Now the thing is, if you don't pre-dry your scalp, it's very hard for you to dry the inside of the scalp area, like towards the scalp area. I don't know if I explained this. The reason why you need to shoot a cold shot before you stop the air drying process or the curling process is because you need to let the hair set. So when the cold air is shot, it kind of sets the curls. That's how apparently this thing works lah. So hopefully with that, if I do it properly with that way, it will last longer. Hopefully, I don't know. Again, I don't usually section my hair because I realized that when I try to do here, without sectioning my hair, it feels like it's going everywhere. It's very messy lah. The air kind of wraps around different parts of my hair, and it's just a little bit messy if I just use without any sectioning. And what I realized that the front part here, just now that I did the curl that I did, I'm in an aircon room right now. Yeah, I'm not in a humid room or anything. I'm kind of in quite a dry room. I can already tell like the curls is already dropping, and this is like what, less than like 20 minutes or 15 minutes. I just yeah. And this one I'm using a 30mm barrel. So can you imagine for people who actually wants to use the 40mm barrel, I think the hair is going to drop even more. Sorry, I need to change the attachment. My friend asked me whether should she get the full set one or should she get the half set one. Then I say the reason why I'm taking a half set is because I don't really care much about the other smoothing attachment, which is the one that's similar to this one but without the pink dots at the top here, because I feel that they are very similar and they do the same thing. The only difference is that this one is meant for normal hair like mine, and the other one is meant for people who has really super frizzy hair. Those people who does a lot of braids on their hair, those tight braids, and they want to do detangling, I think that one is suited for their hair type. So pretty much I really don't need two of this. And I'm also super excited about this one. First of all, you must understand, yeah, I'm not good at blow drying my hair. I hate blow drying my hair with a regular old school blow dryer. I feel that every time after I blow dry my hair, it just feels very frizzy. I'm not good at using a regular hair dryer and a comb at the same time, and doing this thing, I'm really bad at that. So that's why I feel this is going to be something that's super useful for me. Also, when you push the cold shot, you need to hold the cold shot there, because otherwise it will just go back into the regular heat settings. Oh, this one is a little bit weird for me. It's a little bit weird for me now because I'm not used to this side. Oh, I see. Can you see how the hair keeps falling down here? Yeah. So which means that I cannot use too much of the hair. Oh no, see, it just all falls off. I think when it dries, when it starts to dry, it kind of drops towards the bottom of the barrel here. Suck it, hello. I can't. It's too messy. Smaller chunks first. Come here, you. Come here. Oh my gosh. Okay, not working out very well actually. Maybe I need to section my hair even more. I am personally trying very hard to make this work, yeah, so it's not because I don't want to. I guess. Whew, finally done. Oh my gosh, it's taken like quite long actually, I feel. Because the problem with this is that I need to section my hair so small. Like you can see here, it's already dropping already. I did not put on any hairspray. You still need to put on hairspray, that's for sure. But for me, even in my previous videos, I just generally don't put on hairspray after curling my hair, after doing my hair, after styling my hair. Unless it's for like a really special event lah. Just by using this curling wand, I feel that there are some parts inside here, it still feels a little bit damp. Like it's not completely dry lah. There's a little bit damp area here, and some parts on top here, it feels a little bit flat. As much as I love the idea of this being such a new tag, and as much as I love that I'm able to curl my hair and dry my hair at the same time, I just feel that it needs to be perfected even more. If you're looking to buy this set just for this thing, I think you should just save your money. I think it's better off that you wait a little while more until they make improvement in this barrel on how it curls or how it sucks the hair. I have a number of faults with this. I feel that it can be perfect. It can be improved, definitely. It can be perfected. It's just that they need some time to do more research into this and to try to find like how to curl your hair better. Yes, of course, the idea of curling your hair without needing to touch a hot metal rod is amazing, but it's not the easiest to use. You need to really properly section your hair. You need to kind of comb your hair first. Also, you need to make sure that it's not too wet. But for me, I'm just thank God that I'm not just looking for this one. I'm also looking at the other attachments that I am very, very much excited about. I think what we're going to do is that I will come back in another video and I'll just specifically use this attachment and test this out to see if this really does give like a really, really nice blowout. These ones are really, really not anything revolutionary. There are already products out there that blow dries your hair with heads like this and they work extremely well. So because I do not have those kind of tools and I wanted something like this, I thought might as well just go and buy the Dyson one. Since I personally want to do this video, I want to try this out, try this barrel out. Since it's such a new technology and I've always wanted a Dyson hairdryer. It's just a brand thing, okay? It's not me trying to say, oh, Dyson is so good and stuff like that, but it's just that I really do enjoy Dyson products and I believe that the two other attachments and all three other attachments will work very well. It's just that personally, if you already have a Dyson hairdryer, the supersonic hairdryer, you really don't need this. Of course, the traditional ironing thong, it is very harmful to your hair if you actually curl your hair every single day and you want something that is less damaging to your hair, then yes, fine, you can try this out. It's really up to you. There are some people feel that if you spend so much money, it would be great if it's this top part, it's not like a plastic attachment kind of thing. It would be great if it's like a magnetic kind of attachment like the Dyson Supersonic one, because there are some parts of this area it feels a little bit plasticky. I do not deny. This one specifically, it does feel a little bit plasticky. I don't know what's the reason why they do all this in the plastic mode. Could it be they just want to make it cheaper? I don't know. Definitely it works, it curls and dries the hair at the same time, but whether or not it lasts, I just don't believe that it will last super long. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll come back in a couple of hours time and then we'll see how well this hair curl lasts. Like right now it's about 11:45. It's not super late at night. This is pretty much after 6 hours. As you can see, this side is completely straight already. My hair, the curls completely gone. This side not good enough to consider a curler. It's more of like just wave. The curls doesn't last at all. You definitely still need to use a hairspray after curling your hair with this product. I never use any hairspray, I never use any hair products, I never use any preheat protection, never use any pre-curling styling cream or gel or spray or anything like that. After curling, I never spray anything at all, no oil, nothing. So this is pretty much just on natural hair. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought I'm just gonna share this with you, how this looks like after 6 hours. Whether am I disappointed? Personally, I don't know. I don't really feel I'm disappointed because even after all the like negative reviews that I've already watched, I kind of still want to buy this. I already have said it in my heart and my mind that I want to buy this because it's such a new technology that I don't mind getting it. I'm drawn towards this very, very much. It's just that for you guys out there, if you have like super high hopes in this, then don't get it. Don't get it until they come up with like a new version, an upgraded version. I hope there'll be newer upgrades. I hope they are able to come up with like a better upgrade of this one, a more improved version, a newer and improved version of this concept, this barrel, because it is such a genius concept. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helps. Just stay tuned for the next few videos that will be coming up. I'll be talking about this attachment and also this attachment as well, and also obviously this smoothing attachment as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!